As long as they're, do you think they're, I think they're coming this way. Yep. Oh my goodness. Ready, set.
Okay, what are we gonna do? How about do like 1, 2, 3.
3 rev bombs? I'll let you do the rev bombs
Go
then.
on 3 or go after 3?
On 3. Go. Good. I saw you guys go and then I was like, oh shit.
I think we gotta do groups of 2.
Yeah.
Yeah,
For Dustin, then someone else has to be the caller.
It's close.
You want?
Yeah.
Let's go past that rock right there.
That rock right there? 1, 2, 3. Three-way?
What? Did you see that? The power wheelie? Dude, this tire, I can't keep the tire on the ground. Alright, drag race.
One more time.
It's hard to explain. Do you guys see that little, like, the
first little bush over there?
Shrub, that little pathetic shrub, the closest one? Tell that.
Did you start first or second?
First.
I started in second.
Yeah.
Yeah, it felt good. It felt really good.
When it's shorter, you can turn better.
Yeah.
One thing I feel like is I'm having to push too hard to turn.
Yep.
So you go to the right of them?
Yep. You lead? All right. I hit neutral.
I just